Hi, Danielle and Sunil. So this is my fix of the issues about cashback emails being sent multiple times to the customer. So basically the issue was Grigor server will disconnect from SMTP server, the mailgun server, after a few minutes when sending bulk emails, like hundreds of records. So in my testing, in my last deployment, it sent about 1,300 something emails, and it only I trace up in the log, it only sent like 600 plus emails. So basically, that's the issue because the cron job still running, but it can no longer send the data to the client because the SMTP server is disconnected. So my fix for that issue, so from one huge process, so I split it into two jobs now. So instead of one cron job, I created the two separate jobs. So one job for creating the email, and this job will execute every day at 4 a.m. Germany time. So it will create all the emails first and save it to the database. So I created a table in the database so I can trace also. And there's a column called is sent, which mark as 0 by default, meaning not sent by default. And when this record is in progress or the script is processing this record to send the email, so this column will be updated into -1, meaning in progress or in process. And then after sending that email, this column will be updated into 1. So three possible values here: 0, unsent, -1 meaning in progress, 1 meaning sent. So that's the first job. It will create the record into the database ready for sending. Now the second job, this is the actual sending. So it will execute every day, every 10 minutes after 4 a.m. until 6 a.m. Now, why 10 minutes and why from 4 a.m. to 6 a.m.? So basically, this will execute again and again from 4:10. So because 10 minutes after 4. So 4:10, then the next execution is at 4:20, 4:30, and so on up to 6 a.m. So why at every 10 minutes? Because in order for the SMTP server to prevent that disconnected problem of disconnection, so I only send a batch of 50 every execution of the cron job. So basically it will get the first 50 records from here, from the database. So assuming that there are 1,000 records here, so it will get the first 50 and send it to the customer. And I'm pretty sure the after uh executing those 50, it will be sent like a minute or two. I tested it already. So we no longer that issue of disconnection from the SMTP server because it process only 50 records. And then after 10 minutes again, because this is 4:10 every 10 minutes. So at 4:20, it will process again another 50 records, and then 4:30 another 50 records, and so on and so on. So it will execute like 4:10, 4:20, 4:30 up to 6 a.m. That's around 12 times, I think. So it will execute 12 times with 50 records each execution. So yeah, and this is my fix. So I tested it on my on my email, and I received the emails here. So basically, I just updated the emails into my email so the customer will not receive this test cashback coupon. So it's different name. So it's tester. Sorry, this is tested. My email is here. As you can see, different name, different customers. So bonjour, Eric. This is the cashback coupon. This one, Hola Esteban. This coupon. Milan, Peter, and so on. So no repeated cashback coupon code unless two or more customers they have the same currency and the same amount. So they have the same cashback coupon code, but that's not a problem. That's the purpose of this is to save number of records in the database. So we'll not flood our database with a lot of records. So I group the customers into the same currency, the same amount, so they have the same cashback coupon code. So yeah, I tested it here and it works perfectly. So yeah, so two separate jobs now. So then please let me know when is the best time to deploy this to the production server. Thanks.